Hello from the Netherlands. Do you have travel plans and are you looking for a drone? I tried many drones and I'm going to give you in this video the 5 reasons why you should absolutely choose the DJI Mavic Air if you're looking for a travel drone. Before further ado, let's start. Number 5, it's a super compact drone, and I will show you what I mean by saying compact. If you look at here, the only thing that I have is the drone itself and the adapters. This is the remote controller, and also there are only 2 adapters. This is the only thing that you are going to have while you are traveling, so you can put them in your bag and easily travel anywhere at all. You don't need to spend time or money of carrying all kind of gadgets. The only thing that you need to have is this. It's not even 1 kilo, so that makes it really compact and easy for a traveler. Number 4, the software is really great. As you see, my drone is flying in the air and I have my software here, and I can choose any option at all. From the software, it's really stable and it's possible to do some quick shots, and if you choose the quick shots, many options: drone, circle. When you choose the circle, it's turning around and making the videos, and all of them are perfectly available in the software of DJI, and it's a really great software. So number 3, the flight time. Each adapter is giving you the power of 25 minutes. So I have 2 adapters and I can fly about around 50 minutes without stopping. So the flight time is amazing, and there's so small adapters, and each adapters the flight time is taking about 25 minutes. And if you have 2 adapters, it's more than enough most of the time. But if you have 3, and if you want to do more shooting, there you go, you can get 3. But the flight time for each adapter is around 25 minutes, and it's great. So number 2 is an important factor. Whenever you're on holiday, you want to shoot beautiful videos, any other good quality pictures that you wanted to create, so you can do that with this drone. Just have a look at the quality that we have been shooting right now. Number 1, the most important factor is the price. If you are looking for a travel drone, then the best option is Mavic Air. Comparing to the price, you don't need something big because you're going to pay a lot of money, and you don't need smaller than the Mavic Air.